Hey, potential YouTube celebs, have you ever asked yourself how ordinary people like you are using YouTube monetization to transform their hobbies into a full-time income? Picture waking up, getting your coffee, and realizing your videos made you money while you slept. Even if you're starting from nothing, I'm going over today exactly how to make money from a YouTube channel. Watch until the end, since I will discuss the 3 most prevalent errors that prevent most creators from getting paid. Leave a remark below telling me your speciality if you are serious about establishing your YouTube company. I will personally respond with advice to support your expansion. A few years ago, I was imprisoned in a job I despise. Still, I heard about people making thousands using sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, and YouTube AdSense. I therefore took the plunge and shared my first video on how to set up a YouTube channel. At first, there was nothing. But everything changed as I learned how to make my videos appealing for YouTube SEO, use strong keywords, and develop captivating thumbnails. One video about passive income ideas made it on the YouTube trending page and my subscriber count shot up. That's when I understood, this isn't about luck. Every successful channel has a mechanism behind it. Strategy, how you could to do it now. Let's go over the actual actions you may do to monetize your own channel. 1. Pick a lucrative topic. Concentrate on subjects that people are already looking for. Channels about DIY tutorials, health and fitness, tech unboxing, product reviews, and making money online have, for instance, enormous audiences. 2. Learn SEO for YouTube. Find keywords with little competition using tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ. Some of the finest keywords to add in your descriptions and titles are how to expand on YouTube, YouTube monetization, YouTube partner program, YouTube income, passive income from YouTube, favorite YouTube markets, YouTube algorithm ideas, hacks for YouTube thumbnail, raise YouTube viewers, increase YouTube viewership, create top quality films often. You don't need high-priced equipment. Starting calls for good lighting and your smartphone. Concentrate on value. Each video should either amuse or solve a problem. 4. Monetize several ways. Don't depend only on YouTube AdSense. Add it with affiliate marketing links in your description, selling digital items like courseware or ebooks, brand sponsorships, merchandising sales. The secret is layering income sources such that you are always earning, even in slower months. Pro tips, what the big channels varyingly do. Big channels know how to use evergreen content, videos that draw views for years, tutorials on how to quickly get 1,000 subscribers, how to edit videos for YouTube, and best YouTube video ideas never go out of fashion, like, in every video, they also use smart call to action phrases. Comment below and inform me which tactic you plan to first experiment with. Go forward then. Stop this movie and post a comment right now with the subject you would like to rule. I shall choose a few to include in my following upload. Avoid these 3 frequent errors. 1. Neglecting keywords. Your videos will get buried if you don't practice YouTube SEO. Research words such as popular YouTube themes, accelerate fast YouTube growth, YouTube video rankings, 2 in regular uploads. If you stay consistent, 1 video every week is even plenty. Channels that keep showing up get rewarded by the YouTube algorithm. 3. Not engaging your audience. Always interact with comments, pose questions to viewers, and help to build a community. Speaking of involvement, comment below what is stopping you from launching your channel right now. I want to hear your experience. Listen, the only distinction between you and the creators earning 6 figures a year is action. You don't have to be flawless. All you have to do is begin. Tap that like button, subscribe, and share this video on how to make money on YouTube with a friend who needs this information if you liked it. And keep in mind, your next video may be the one that turns your life around. Hence, grab your camera and start right away by brainstorming your first viral YouTube video. In our next video, I'll see you. Let's grow your YouTube empire together.